about the biggest storm of the year so far in California, and I actually have a friend joining me on this snowstorm, Madeline. She's like, I want to go outside.
I was about to let her outside.
Hi,
She might come bother you though over there.
That's okay. Do you want one creamer or two mixed with your milk for flavoring? Probably two? Yeah.
Want some pancakes?
Sure, if you're making pancakes.
Yeah, I am. I want something warm.
Oh, I was gonna say, this is in no way important, but everyone's posting because Taylor Swift changed her profile picture to black and white so everyone...
No, I love like when the fans start theorizing.
Oh my
It's
god.
my favorite thing ever.
I love when they're so wrong.
I know.
I'm like, wow, you really thought you did something there.
Yeah. Athena is so cute.
What, you wanna play? I know, like door-to-door service.
Nice. Room service. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, I need whatever.
Huh?
He's just the best.
Hi. The things we do for the internet. Oh my god, her little head on my thing.
Oh, she just rested in there. Oh my gosh, there's something accumulating back here.
My car has so much snow on it. Oh my god. I tried to do like an aesthetic pour by holding it up and the wind just blew the coffee out of the cup.
Oh shit.
Oh my god, it hurts. You're just in the back of my video, like going up on your roof to get your groceries. Oh, hello, Athena. Do you want to be in my car? Hi. Hi, Athena. A friend has joined me in my car. Thank you. The chaos of trying to film in a snowstorm.
I know. No, I have like 3 other cans.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning. It's like good evening. Oh my god, I'm so out of shape. Oh my god, it's deep. Doing this for you, Madeline. Thank you. It's for you too.
Our angels are gonna be touching.
Oh my god, it's I can't. did an angel.
Me either. I can't tell.
I can't tell.
Her little eyes. Know how you said you could do.
Come here. Come here.
I can't help but breathe out.
I'm moving to Islands Van to make dinner because you cannot fit 2 people and a dog in my car, but you can fit 2 people and a dog in a van. So I guess that's one of the benefits of having a van.
And I left the driver's seat open for Athena
In case she does.
I also have a fan.
Oh.
Are you gonna open it? Like that window I guess is not opening.
It could have been a little iced over.
Yeah, probably.
When I said to cook dinner, I meant Madeline is cooking me dinner.
Thank you. Let me leave her.
I'm going back to my car. Big stretch. The sky looks so pretty in my camera. Good morning, we are up. We are going to try to get out of here. I won't say I know how much it, well, here's Athena running. Hi Athena, come here. Athena, come here. I don't actually know how much we got because it was so windy last night that not a lot, like, you can kind of see there's like a hump in front of our cars from where the snow was blowing, so we kind of try to get out from there. Or at least dig ourselves out. I don't know. We'll see. It's an adventure.
What the fuck?
Not me, not us, just plowing the road. When I say my car can do anything, my car can do anything. Look at her go. We are walking to the hot springs because while we probably could make it down the road, it's not a great road and you can't see where all the rocks are under the snow. So it's about a half-mile walk. Saying it's nice that someone broke trail.
Oh yeah, it is.
Hi! She says I can only run. Yeah, it looks like there's only one set of footprints going down.
Yeah.
Wait, no, that's Athena.
Oh, it is.
No one's come down here today.
Wow.
Hi. Oh. I brought 2. They're 2 different flavors. Hi.
Smells really good.
What is it?
Wow, you caught it, Athena.
Sit. Oh my god, you're such a good girl. Go get it. Oh, you caught it! Athena!
Yeah. Athena.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god.
Oh, but okay. Like,